Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and without wasting time today I'm going to teach you how to find factorial of any number in this Casio fx-991CW calculator. So to find factorial, it's very easy. Just click this catalog button and then you can see probability here. So select this probability and press OK. Now you can see factorial. So again select this factorial and then press OK. And to find factorial of any number you have to uh, input number in front of this factorial sign. So let's say I want to find factorial of 5, so I entered it in front of this factorial sign. So to find now press equal button, so it's showing 120. So in this way you can find factorial of any number. And one fun fact about this calculator is you can find factorial up to 69. So you can find factorial up to 69, and above that it will show math error. Let's say you have to find factorial of 70, so it's impossible because it will give a math error. So above 69 you can't find factorial, and in this way you can find factorial of a number up to 69 in Casio fx-991CW calculator. And I hope you learned something new from this video, and hope for a like and comment on this video, and please subscribe my channel. Please support us and comment down below if you have any confusion about this. Thank you for watching video. Bye bye.